Have you ever pulled up to an intersection and thought, who actually goes first here? Let's test your knowledge of US traffic rules with a scenario that causes real-world headaches. Imagine an unregulated three-way intersection where all roads have equal priority. 3 cars arrive there at the same time. First, a green car approaches from the left road. Then a white car approaches from the right road. And finally, a yellow car approaches from the lower road. All of them intend to turn left. The trajectories of all 3 cars intersect right in the center. Here is your test. Based on US traffic rules, in what order should cars pass through this intersection? You have 4 options. A. By common agreement. B. Green car, white car, yellow car. C. Yellow car, green car, white car. D. White car, yellow car, green car. I'll give you 10 seconds to leave your guesses in the comments below. Let's begin. Ready? Let's break it down. At an unregulated intersection where cars arrive simultaneously, the golden rule is to give way to the car on the right. But let's see what happens if we apply this rule. The green car looks to the right and sees the yellow car. Therefore, the green car has an obstacle on the right, so it must yield. But wait, the yellow car looks to the right and sees the white car. So, the yellow car also has an obstacle on the right and must also give way. Finally, the white car looks to the right and sees a green car. Again, there's an obstacle on the right, so the white car must also give way. And we end up with a traffic jam. Since every driver has a car to their right, the standard rule no longer applies. No car has a natural right-of-way over others. That's the interesting situation we find ourselves in. That's why the best and most practical solution is common agreement. The drivers need to make eye contact, communicate with a wave or a flash of the headlights, and mutually agree on who goes first to break the loop. Once that first car clears the intersection, the normal yield to the right rule resumes for the remaining 2. So, the correct answer is option A. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more driving tests. Drive safe and see you next time.